So, since you can't directly withdraw crypto to a bank account, you'll first need to sell your crypto for fiat currency and then withdraw that fiat. So guys, go to Kraken and log in into your account. Navigate to the funding tab in the top menu. After that, in the funding section, select the crypto you want to sell, for example, Bitcoin. Click convert or go to the trade tab. Choose sell, select your desired fiat currency, enter the amount, confirm. Go back to the funding tab. Select the fiat currency you converted your crypto into, click withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method. For example, you can use SWIFT or bank transfer. Enter your bank details and confirm transaction. Then just simply wait for processing. It will take from 1 to 5 business days, depending on the withdrawal method. And by following these steps, guys, you can easily convert your and then withdraw your crypto funds from Kraken to your bank account. Easy, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy. See you in the next one.